Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make frozen gummy bears with lemonade. This simple guide will help you create a delightful, refreshing treat in just a few easy steps. You will only need a handful of items, making this a perfect activity for a warm day. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this fun and tasty project right away. Now that you have your supplies, let's prepare the treats. Carefully place approximately 3 to 5 gummy bears into each individual compartment of your ice cube tray. Next, slowly pour your lemonade over the gummy bears, ensuring each section is filled almost to the top. Remember to leave a tiny bit of space, about 1/8 of an inch, for the liquid to expand as it freezes. With your ice cube tray filled, it is time for the freezing process. Gently place the tray into your freezer, making sure it is on a flat surface to prevent spills. Allow these delightful treats to freeze completely for a minimum of 4 hours. For optimal firmness and a truly solid result, we recommend letting them freeze overnight. Patience is key for perfect frozen gummy bears. Congratulations, your frozen gummy bears are ready. Once they are completely solid, carefully remove each individual frozen treat from the ice cube tray. They should pop out quite easily. Serve these wonderfully refreshing, sweet, and tangy delights immediately to enjoy their cool, chewy texture. These are perfect for a hot afternoon or as a fun dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.